Have you been wondering what is the difference between a doTERRA Wholesale account or a Wellness Advocate account? So I'm going to explain that in this video so that you know exactly what the difference is between these two types of memberships. I'm Mandy Sommers, a certified essential oil specialist. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. About the power of essential oils for the past 11 years, and I'll tell you, I'm biased. I love doTERRA essential oils. And so we are going to talk about getting a doTERRA account and the two different types of memberships that we have. So let's jump right in. In fact, if you have an account, will you go ahead and put in the comments below your favorite doTERRA essential oil? And if not, put in the comments an oil that you want to try. How about that? So doTERRA is kind of like having a Costco membership or a Sam's Club membership. It's $35 for a year membership where you get 25% off of the retail prices. Now this is pretty awesome, right? Now we actually have two types of memberships. The things to know about these are that no matter what, the prices are exactly the same and the kits are exactly the same. So when you get started with doTERRA, you can just get a membership for $35, or you can get a kit that actually gives you a free membership. So you're buying the essential oils basically below wholesale because you're getting the free membership with that. So with that, you have to choose what type of account you want. We've got our doTERRA Wholesale Customer, or we have our doTERRA Wellness Advocate. Now there are multiple reasons why we have these, but let me tell you about the Wholesale Customer and then I'll go into the Wellness Advocate. So a doTERRA Wholesale Customer is someone who is looking to up-level their wellness lifestyle, and they are interested in getting the best, most pure, highest quality natural products at an amazing price of 25% off. Now, the way that we support those types of people are we offer amazing education that comes with your membership, whether that be through the doTERRA website or through all of my courses, my live classes, things like that. A wholesale customer basically gives you 25% off for an entire year. I always say if you're gonna buy 3 or more oils, you definitely need a membership. Now, there are no strings attached. It's really like having a Costco membership. You get the best products at the best prices, and there are no minimums, there's no maximums. Basically, you just get to order when you want, and that product is delivered to your door. Now, we have our Wellness Advocate. So a doTERRA Wellness Advocate is somebody who wants all the advantages of the wholesale customer, plus they want to build a business. So notice how there's two separates. One's a customer, one is somebody who wants to build a business using the power of essential oils. Now, I love this option because I don't have to carry product. I don't have to be all the things. I just get to be an educator who shares about the power of essential oils, and doTERRA handles shipping. They handle product. They handle sourcing oils from all over the world, all of that. And I love that aspect. So a wellness advocate is somebody who wants to get a commission from selling essential oils. And yes, that's what we do. We sell essential oils. I say I'm an educator, and I am so focused in on education, but part of that education is teaching people how to get the best products at the best prices. And so a wellness advocate it's the same exact price to get started. You can actually upgrade at any time. If you're a wholesale customer and you're like, I kind of want to do this as a business, you can go into your account and upgrade in 5 minutes. It doesn't cost any extra. And all that does is it tells doTERRA that yes, you want to get commissions off of those products that you're sharing and you're teaching about. A couple things that come with your account as a wellness advocate. So number one, you get a website that comes with your wellness advocate account. And this website is free of charge. You don't have to pay for it on a monthly basis. And basically, it's a place to send people who are interested in learning about essential oils. And so you can go in and put your picture in there. You can put a little blurb about yourself. and why you're passionate and excited to share essential oils with them. Okay, the next thing that comes with this is a link generator. And I love this aspect. This was not something that originally came. This link generator basically means that you can go in and choose a product, choose a kit, choose a variety of products, and send your customers the exact list of what you want them to order or what they're wanting to order, whichever way it goes. Sometimes people are like, tell me what to order, and sometimes they know exactly what. But that will give them the exact list so they don't have to go finding it for them. You also get a back office, which is where we look at strategy and how to grow our business. Along with that, we actually have a business builder course that is absolutely free. Isn't that amazing? You also get access to mentoring from me and my marketing crew. So a little background, I actually grew my essential oil business traditionally in-person classes until 2020 hit and everybody had to pivot. At that point, thankfully, I had already kind of started pivoting online and I had started my YouTube channel. I had a pretty good roadmap and I have been able to successfully pivot and learn how to grow and thrive online as well. So you will get access to my marketing coaching that I do on a weekly basis. We actually have clients that are not even on our essential oil team who are just trying to grow their businesses, and you can be a part of that awesome mentoring. I hope that you enjoyed learning about the difference between a doTERRA wellness advocate and a wholesale customer. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Also, if you're ready to get started and you want to get a kit and join our team, please, please, please check out the link below. I always love to send a fun welcome kit to all of my personal enrollees, as well as you get personal mentoring from me, even if you're not a wellness advocate. We will connect and I'll help you find all the things that you need to support your healthy habits. Talk to you soon.